In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate PayU with Shopify. This process is straightforward and will help you seamlessly incorporate PayU as a payment gateway on your Shopify store, thereby providing your customers with more flexible payment options. First, let's start by navigating through your Shopify admin dashboard. It's essential you're logged into your Shopify account to begin with, as this integration requires administrative access. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the lower left corner of the dashboard where you'll find the Settings menu. Click on it to reveal a list of various options related to your store's configuration. Among these options, look for Payments. Once you've found it, give it a click. This section will provide you with various payment settings and methods that you can utilize for your store to facilitate transactions. For today, our focus will primarily be on integrating an alternative payment gateway, so look for and select Alternative Payment Methods. PayU, being a favored payment gateway in India, is what we're concentrating on. Now that you're in the Alternative Payment Methods section, you'll notice a list or grid displaying different options you can choose from. We need to narrow down our search to find PayU India. To do this efficiently, use the search feature provided in this section. Simply type PayU India into the search bar and press Enter. This will filter the results and display PayU India, eliminating any potential confusion with other payment gateways that might have similar names. Once the PayU India option pops up, you're just a step away from activating it. Just click on the Activate button next to PayU India. By clicking Activate, you're effectively integrating PayU as a payment option for your Shopify store, which allows your customers to use this gateway when purchasing products from your store. And there you have it. You have successfully integrated PayU India with your Shopify store. This integration will not only enhance your store's payment flexibility, but also potentially increase your customer conversion rate, as many shoppers appreciate having multiple payment options. Be sure to test the payment gateway on a small purchase or transaction to ensure everything is functioning smoothly. It's always a smart move to run a few test payments first to confirm the integration is fully operational before you start advertising it to customers. By offering popular payment options like PayU, you're paving the way for a more comfortable and accommodating shopping experience for your customers. Thank you for watching, and I hope this step-by-step guide has made the process of integrating PayU with your Shopify store simple and hassle-free. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy selling!